Okay, so here is the download page that you receive after you've completed your purchase. If you have purchased it from Etsy, it's going to look just like this. If you purchased it from another platform, you may just have a link to open up the folder directly. So either way, just follow along with these steps. So I am opening this up inside Goodnotes on an iPad. So if you're using a different software or a different tablet device, then your process will be a little bit differently. So this is a clickable PDF. So we're just going to tap that. We're going to click open. And then here you can see, let me zoom these in. These are the 3 files that are in this one. So all of my digital journals will include a small printable file so that if you just want to print it at home, it doesn't have the clickable tabs or anything. It's literally just a printable version. There is also a digital version in PDF. So you would use that if you were importing it into another software. And then there is a Goodnotes, which is this first one right here. So this is the one that we're going to open. So let's pull this back. So we're going to tap it. And then you're going to see all this come up here. We are going to click the download anyway. So this is downloading to my Google Drive. Now, right here, it should say open in Goodnotes. And I want to import this. So I'm going to choose the location. I actually have a folder for prayer journals. So you can create a folder for the different kinds of journals that you have, or just import it in if you don't have any folders at all. So we're going to say import into prayer journals. And then now it's here. So it's my phone going off. So if you are familiar with using Goodnotes, you have this little circle thing right here. And this is what enables you to see, now it's not clickable. So you have to click this little pencil. So right now it's a circle with a, let me open this up. It doesn't get bigger. So it's right here. But when you tap it, it turns into almost like a X. When it's on the X, you cannot click. When it's on the circle, these are clickable. And so you have home on this one, you have gratitude on all the different ones, and then these here. But then also on your home page on this particular journal, each one of these are also clickable. So we can go to my prayers, go back home. You can go into, if you want to work on a soap study, it'll go to the soap page. So on that first, on the home tab here, that's where you have for the individual pages. If you don't want to just swipe through, of course, you can totally just swipe through. So anyway, if you have any problems at all, please just reach out to me via direct message, and I will see if I can help figure out what the issue is with getting it uploaded into your tablet device. Thanks so much.